So may I? See, in our constitution, when we brought the constitution, we had a provision of giving reservation to the oppressed people. And the idea was that, to let them come up because they have been oppressed from not only decades but century, be it the SC, ST, and they have included women into it. You need to allow them to come up by some advantages. So the reservation was brought in. That doesn't mean that reservation was not misused, right? So we do understand the violations are there. There abuse of the process, abuse of the laws are there by the women also. But that doesn't mean that you should not have the laws. Two, those violations are aberrations. If you read the statistics, these are not even 2% of the genuine cases. You may feel ये भी गलत हुआ है, यहाँ भी झूठा फंसा है, वहां भी झूठा फंसा है. But अगर आप overall statistics की बात करोगे, so these are not even 2% of the total true cases. When the oppression is of that great nature, the violation is normal. It's happening everywhere. It's not as if false cases are being filed everywhere. You stop that also, and that would be addressed. I tell you how. When I'm saying react against the wrong, people should see actual false cases would be dealt with in the court. I understand there would be few sufferers, but then this is, flip side of every single law. Don't you have the murder charges being implicated falsely? Don't you have theft charges being implicated falsely? Don't you have the promotions being given for wrongly to the persons? So what do? You stop giving promotions? Do you stop booking people for murders? So it is not as if law is being misused only by women. Whosoever has brains has law. Whenever you create a law, it would be misused. Like Mr. Rajendra has just quoted, Love Jihad law. It may save few people, but it would be misused also. All laws would always be privy to be misused. And in constitution courts, whenever we challenge constitutionality of any law and we tell the court it can be misused, court would always say that's not an argument for a law to be created. If it is being misused by someone, that would be tackled. But then you have to have law protecting them. So that's for one aspect. Wrong cases should be criticized. Wrong cases would be dealt with. Try your best. Wrong are not done. But as far as the women using their charm to position themselves to get the advantages in the offices and maybe sometimes being replaced by another more charming person, as a co-colleague, if you start also reacting on that, telling your boss that this is also violation, we are watching you. How many times the colleagues actually react on that? They would rather try to use the same charm, try to have the benefit of the same charm. If the female is smiling to one man, you would want she should have dinner or lunch with me also. So when you want that not to be misused, the woman should not be misusing, she is doing a wrong thing. But as a co-colleague, whether you are a man or woman, tell her, we have noticed you. Tell the boss, we have noticed you, you are doing the wrong thing. And don't try to take advantage of the same charm that let that blessing come to me also. When we have seen, I can quote you an example. Supreme Court, she is a dancer who is she's a trained dancer. So she, is in a habit of dressing up in a certain way and, makeup and other things and looks too charming. And her dressing and her way of looking something way, the whole office took it as an easy virtue. Office colleagues were, also thinking she is an easy virtue because she is coming and she is virtually welcoming us. So she came to me, she confided and she actually cried. She said, I have come to this office through my father. Now, how do I tell him that that's not acceptable to me and I'm feeling violated? I said, first, slap bearing that violation, go to that person, Tell him very politely, sir, I respect you. I want to work. I have come to my father. For me, you are a father figure. Even if you are not a father figure to me, this is not acceptable to me. My clothes are not a ticket for you to treat me in a different manner. If I smile, that doesn't mean that you can consider me easy virtue. Things would be sorted. But assume I am the co-colleague, and the girl is getting benefit of that dressing up, looking charming, and I don't have that and I'm not getting benefit. What do? I keep cribbing and seeing her, or I just go to her and tell her, see, this is not good. I can watch you. Go to the boss. Tell him also, sir, I'm actually seeing this, and that's not acceptable. This must be stopped. As Mr. Rajendra said that, your status is not equal, and I answered, I consider my status is equal even if I am a jhadu wali in your office. When it comes to my dignity, my status is equal to you. When we start learning the, it would take time. I tried.
Shobhaji, I am not discounting any of your arguments, and I respect and admire your feelings, your emotions. That's all well placed. What I simply meant to say is, we have more than enough laws to protect every shadow of our life. Just imagine there is a law. Maybe you want to bring it at one platform. That simply would not be possible.
तिवारी साहब, मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है थोड़ा शॉर्ट करें इसको, अपन टीआई के प्लेटफॉर्म पे फिर कभी बुलाएंगे मैडम को, रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे।
हाँ, तिवारी साहब से।
Okay, I'm done.
तिवारी साहब हमारे टीआई के मेंबर है, भानाव साहब, तिवारी साहब ट्रांसपेरेंसी इंटरनेशनल के हमारे बड़े जागरूक मेंबर्स हैं।
नहीं, बट वो जो बात कह रहे हैं, बात भी सही कह रहे हैं। पॉइंट है कि हमको एड्रेस तो करना पड़ेगा ना। प्रॉब्लम वी ऑल नो। कहीं से शुरुआत नहीं करेंगे तो शुरुआत होगी भी नहीं ना। तो पॉइंट है, वी हैव टू कीप डूइंग आवर एफर्ट्स, कीप पुटिंग आवर एफर्ट्स।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद तिवारी साहब। हम थोड़ी सी माफी चाहेंगे, आज समय की थोड़ी सी मर्यादा है, इसलिए हम आपके सारे क्वेश्चंस हम नहीं ले पा रहे हैं। अब एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन में अनुराग शर्मा, जो मेरे बचपन के मित्र हैं, बूंदी में एडवोकेट हैं, बहुत अच्छे थिंकर हैं, पेपर में इनके आर्टिकल्स छपते रहते हैं, तो मैं उनको लास्ट क्वेश्चन के लिए आमंत्रित करता हूं। अनुराग शर्मा एडवोकेट।
सभी को नमस्ते। आज पहली बार ह्यूमन राइट को वुमेन राइट के रूप में शोभा जी ने बहुत अच्छे से समझाया, इसलिए उनको थैंक्स। आपने जो एक खिड़की